Today, everyone is talking about AI, be it agentic AI, autonomous systems, data monetization, etc. According to McKinsey's Global Tech Agenda 2026, all the top CIOs around the world are rewiring their companies for growth through AI. Today, on International Women's Day, I want to talk about something not about AI, but about who gets to shape AI. I'm someone who has started taking steps in this field. I'm currently pursuing an MTech in artificial intelligence and machine learning. And the more I learn about AI, the more one thought keeps returning to me. Are women participating in the AI revolution as much as they should? Not just as users, but as creators, decision makers, and architects. When I look at many leaders in the technology space, I'm reminded there are many women who are shaping the technology at the highest levels. But the real question is, are we creating enough pathways for more women to enter these spaces? Because AI is not just another technology. AI will shape how we work, how we think, and how societies evolve. And if the builders of the future are not diverse, then the future itself may not be either. As someone who's still learning, experimenting, and sometimes struggling with algorithms and models, I do not claim to have all the answers. But I know one thing: the AI revolution cannot be complete without women. Not later, now. So, today on International Women's Day, I want to say this to every woman who's curious about technology, data, or AI. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to start. Take the course, write the code, ask the questions. Because the future of AI should not just be intelligent, it should be inclusive and intelligent and beautiful. Till then, keep slaying with sense and lead whenever you can. Because you might be the light that future needs. Thank you.